Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today's video I'll show you how you can actually fix the shoulder buttons and the animations in the Poco F3 GT device. I'm getting plenty of comments on the Poco F3 GT that they were unable to get the shoulder buttons activated and they were unable to get the animations working. So in this video I'll try to show you how you can actually fix 100% this trick gonna work in the Poco X3 GT device without any kind of problem. So here's a couple of comments which I got on this Poco F3 GT regarding the shoulder buttons. As you can see, shoulder button animation is not working, bro, when I restart as well. So before it used to work after the restarting of the device, but even right now after restarting it's not working, it seems, for some of the users. So here's another comment which I have received. As you can see, what should I do? The shoulder buttons is not coming, the option. As you can see friends, the simple solution which I can give you right now is that there's a problem with the security application in this Poco F3 GT. You need to update the security application in the Poco F3 GT to the latest security patch update. Yes, let me show you exactly where you can actually find this latest APK. So make sure to join my Telegram group. In my Telegram group with the name Sai Tech Guru YT, these are my Telegram group. You can actually find the latest APK, which is Game Turbo 4.0 APK. As you can see, this is the same APK for the security app as well. You need to update the security app. Try to click on the APK and try to download it and try to update the security application. So once after you update, you will be able to see the shoulder button options coming in the special features. As you can see, now you'll be able to see it. So with the previous security application APK, there's some kind of issues going on, friends. That is the reason few of the users, they were unable to see these kind of issues. And I got a confirmation from few of the subscribers as well who did install the Game Turbo 4.0 and it's working for them. As you can see, so bro, now it's working. I have updated the Game Turbos to the 4.0. It's working now. As you can see, this is the same thing which I got confirmation from a few of my subscribers as well. As you can see, it's exactly. So after updating to the Game Turbo 4.0 only, you will be able to get this kind of shoulder buttons working in the Poco F3 GT device. And you may get another question. If you update to latest APK, what will happen? Is there any kind of side effects or not? I'll tell you one thing, there is no side effects at all, but there will be change in terms of the Game Turbo animation. I mean, in this way, the layout will be completely changed and updated to the latest Game Turbo. As you can see friends, so before you used to see that kind of different kind of layout on the top. Now with the latest APK, when you're trying to install the security application, that will impact the Game Turbo as well. That is reason one thing you should definitely understand. Let me know in the comment section below friends for how many of you this trick is working. I just want to see whether it's working or not, because I already got a confirmation from few of my subscribers as well that this trick is working actually. So these are the few things which you can actually remember in the Poco F3 GT when you're trying to use it. And if you want to have this kind of shoulder buttons working in this Poco F3 GT device. And this can also fix the problems of the animations as well. Some of the users, they're unable to get this kind of animations working when they're trying to press the buttons as well. So this will definitely fix those kind of issues as well. That is what I'm expecting friends. So let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts. And if you have any other queries on this Poco F3 GT, let me know in the comments. So definitely I'll do my best to bring the solution as soon as possible for all of you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. And one more thing, final thing I forgot to mention how to install as well. Just download the APK from the Telegram group and try to click on that one. It will ask you to update the security app, then immediately say okay. That's it friends. It is a simple process to update, I would say, definitely to the latest version. So it should not take much time as well for you to update to the latest version. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.